Hello, welcome in another important video. I hope you all are doing great. And in this video, we will try to understand why the Electron.js developers name the technology which is providing service to create cross-platform desktop application as an Electron. Because someone who has no information about the history of Electron.js, they will find Electron name completely irrelevant for the technology that is providing services to create cross-platform desktop application. So the question is, did the Electron.js developers give completely random name for this technology, or is there any backstory behind it? So the Electron.js story starts with a person named 𝗨𝗀𝗃, and he is a developer of Electron.js. In his initial days, 𝗨𝗀𝗃 started working on one internship project, which name was 𝗦𝗺𝗶𝗵𝗂𝗺. Later on, he switched to another project, and the project name was Atom Shell. So the intention behind starting this Atom Shell project was to create a text editor which will support languages such as JavaScript, HTML and CSS. And after lots of efforts, Atom Shell became a successful project, and we still use Atom text editor till today, which is one of the most feature-rich text editor nowadays. And while working on Atom Shell, 𝗨𝗀𝗃 introduced Electron.js. Well, many people call Electron.js as an accidental technology because Electron.js developer were not working on the technology which will provide service to create cross-platform desktop application. Electron.js was just a byproduct of Atom Shell project, and later on it became popular. But still the question remains unanswered, why they name that project as an Electron. So according to me, we'll get this answer in atomic physics. So if you know a little bit about the atomic physics, you may know that every single object on the planet Earth, or even outside of the planet Earth, is made up of small particles, and we call those particles as an atoms. And if we look even more closer inside the atom, we'll get to see that there is some nucleus, there is some protons, neutrons and electrons. So here is the diagrammatic representation of atom. The central red part that we get to see in this diagram is nothing but the nucleus of an atom, and the yellow portion is our electron, and the blue line shows the orbit in which electron revolves around the nucleus. Similar structure we get to see in the solar system as well, when the planets revolves around the sun. Now if we try to apply this analogy with the development of electron, as we saw, the developer of electron were working on one text editor, and he accidentally found out the electron technology, and the name of the text editor was Atom. So since the Electron.js was just a byproduct of the Atom text editor, I'm assuming they gave name for that project as an Electron. Well, this is just my assumptions. There is no official declaration about the nomenclature, although the nomenclature doesn't really matters, but still if you have any other information about this topic, you can let us each others know. Well, let me know if you agree with this analogy or not. I think that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.